Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another nail tutorial for you guys today. It's this negative space bow tie. And this is a gorgeous pale yellow polish. It's one of my top 10 spring favorites. I pick 10 each season and do a nail design for each one. This is the first one that I've picked and this is the nail design for it. So let's get into the tutorial. Start off with clean, dry nails, and I do not use a base coat when I do these negative space designs because I feel like it pulls up when I use these vinyl stickers, so I am not going to be using a base coat this time. You can freehand these triangles, but I like the clean look that I get when I use these What's Up Nails Skinny Straight stickers. I'll put a link to those down below. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off. I usually take off as many as I need and put them on just the edge of my table that I'm working on so that I can grab them easily and not have to mess up my nails when I'm getting more. I like to do a few nails at the same time, so I've already done these first two and I'm going to go ahead and work on the next two. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that skinny straight sticker where I want it. It can be a little bit tricky. My hands were a little bit shaky when I was doing this, sorry about that. But I'm going to go ahead and cross that from the tip and then just make sure where they meet is centered in your nail. And then once you get those stickers where you want them, you can go ahead and press down and make sure it's pressed down on all edges. And then I'm going to go ahead with this Coconut Cove, this white polish from Essie, and I'm also going to use my yellow and just do the detailing. So here I am with the yellow. I'm just going to use the brush because it's easier at the tip, and I'm just going to paint that on, getting as close to the edge as I can. You can go over a little bit, but sometimes I just like to go right up to the edge. And then I'm going to immediately go to the other finger and do the same thing. And then I'm going to come in with my white. You can just use the nail brush with this, but with white I like to just do it in thin layers with a smaller brush. And it will be a little bit patchy, but that's okay. You're going to come back and do a second coat. You're also going to do a second coat on the yellow as well. So I'm going to do this finger and then the other, and then let that dry for a second, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow again on just this one, and then the white. And then when I'm finished filling with the white, I'm going to immediately pull those stickers off. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other finger, making sure to do that second coat and then pulling those stickers right off. And of course, I'm a little bit messy. Sorry, we're all messy sometimes, but that's okay. You can just use some acetone and a smudge brush and just clean that up. You can also use your smudge brush and detail brush to smooth out the edges in between the triangles and just on the sides. When you're finished, go ahead and add a glossy top coat like this one. I'm using HK Girl by Glisten Glow, or you can use a matte top coat, which is what I ultimately did in the end just because I thought it looked a little better. And that's your final look. I hope you guys liked this. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and we'll see you guys soon.